Hello, I am Angie and I am Varshatiwari. I am a great actress and model. I am very smart and beautiful.
Okay. Can you see me? Okay. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is tsering channel, and if you are new on this channel, please to subscribe my channel. And if you think a good content and anything about video, and then you can share with others and mention there then about my channel. Okay, so without taking much time, I'm going to say something about this vlog. Okay, this vlog is very special for me and for my friends because we met new people recently in last month of September, because we got a chance to participate in Indian film or Indian serial which become very famous with first season, and right now they are shooting second season, and the name of series Asur 2, right? So you can search in Google or you can search in YouTube, which is on process in shooting. So I heard that they will take almost 3 months to complete the serial, so we hope that and we will see in that. Okay, so right now in this vlog we got new people, we got new friends, and they come to our college, our university, and they just look around our campus, our facility and library or everything in campus. So yeah, this video is all about that, and let's see how it goes on. Thank you and enjoy my vlog, and thank you.
Go for it.
Subscribe to his channel, YouTube channel. You will be in there.
Hello, I am Angie and I am Varshatiwari. I am a great actress and model. I am very smart and beautiful.
Okay. How are you?
I am fine. What about you? डॉक्यूमेंट्स कलेक्ट करने थे और साइन चाहिए था उसके स्कॉलरशिप में फॉर्म भरी है.
Yes, it's go for it. Yes.
Yeah, you can tell me. Let me introduce myself. Again, I will introduce myself and I will only. Yeah, I have to do my work. I will introduce myself then.
Yeah. Okay, guys. One more thing I'd like to mention. Like, if you guys like to be my friends or like to be with my friends, so you can check out their Instagram. We mentioned their Instagram and any site in the description or in video, so you can check out their page and you can make friends with them. We all welcome you guys to join us with any page media, right? So okay, that's all what I want to say. And oh yeah, this video maybe take longer because all the clips are important and good. So I edit almost all of them, and that may take longer time. And one more thing is that this video is not that clear enough, or the sound, because I used my phone to take most of the clip, and I used my friend's Denzin's phone to take most of the clips. So there in the below I used two phone different. One is iPhone 6 and one is Redmi something. So the quality of video is not that good enough as camera. So pardon for me that. And the content and the people are new, so you will like it, and please.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast.
प्रोफेशनल ब्लॉगर चाहिए सर तो यार बहुत ज़रूर ले चुका मुझे गेट कैसे क्या संगीत आज Masuk sama cik bare. That's what I need.
गरम गरम खा लीजिए।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है हम लोग खाकर वेज
It's a veg.
घुस जाता है दिमाग में। बायो स्टूडेंट, मैथ स्टूडेंट, फिलोसफी स्टूडेंट, अलग अलग स्ट्रीम।
Chemistry math है।
फिर है ना मैथ।
सरदर्द।
मैं एक सवाल पूछूँ, उसका जवाब दीजिए। मतलब 2 + 2 5 आएगा कि नहीं?
बोलो कैसे? 2 + 2 2 + 2 5 बोलो कैसे? ये बोल रहे हैं।
कैसे?
गलती से।
गलती से
गलती से।
गलती से
गलती से भी 2 + 2 5 नहीं कभी कोई लिख पाएगा ना क्या? पता नहीं कैसे गलती कर
गलती कर गया आ जाता है। वही तो मुझे सवाल पूछा था कोई, तो हम एक सवाल पूछेंगे। कुछ लड़की लोग लड़की लोग बोलते हैं इंग्लिश बहुत बढ़िया है, मुझे इंग्लिश सब कुछ आता है। तो कुछ पूछा मुझे व्हाट इज दिस, बोला तो मैंने सोचा दिस इज रॉन्ग आंसर। अगर मैं आपको पूछूँ तो व्हाट इज दिस बोलेगा तो आप आंसर क्या कीजिए?
What is this? जिस चीज़ को इंटीग्रेट कर उसके बारे में बताएंगे।
आंसर रॉन्ग। मैं आपको सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, आप वो डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर रहे, सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ ना, तो सवाल का जवाब व्हाट इज दिस। तो वो बोला मुझे दिस इज प्रोनाउन। मेरा सही जवाब मिला।
ओ भाई
तो आप इंग्लिश में फेल है। मैंने बोला सर को मैं इंग्लिश आता हूँ, इसीलिए मैं संस्कृत पढ़ना नहीं आता है मुझे संस्कृत नहीं पढ़ना है। मैं पॉलिटिक्स में जा रहा हूँ, पॉलिटिक्स स्टडी में जा रहा हूँ और इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ। तो बोला तो आगे आप मेरा सवाल का जवाब दीजिए तब आप चलिए। तो
क्या पढ़ोगी क्या? नहीं वो प्रैक्टिस ही लग रहा है। तो ये मैथ को भी ना
तो हम जा रहे हैं।
Last तक the vlogging. Okay, now I'm going. Bye bye. Thank you for your precious time. अरे रुको भाई डॉगी है।
And at the very end of this video, I want to wish you all safe and healthy during this pandemic or sort of this uncomfortable situation, uncomfortable times because of the corona. And wherever you guys are living, be safe, be healthy, and enjoy your life. Thank you, and see you in next video. God bless you guys.